Good morning! Today is my last full day here in Rishikesh. I've had breakfast, which was basically just some fruits and sprouts because that's what they had as vegan options today. So that's what I had. I think the first point of today's program is going to go and see the waterfall, Neer Waterfall. It's supposed to be really beautiful, so some more nature. That'll be good, and then after that we're probably going back to the hotel, and then there's lunch at some point. But I'm not 100% clear on the time and stuff like that. So I've had a pretty good day, I would say. I just loved the Neer Waterfall. It was so beautiful. And then after we had been to the waterfall, I got back to the hotel, I relaxed, and then later on we went for lunch, and I kind of splurged because today is my birthday. Yes, I was very unsure whether to mention it or not, but something came up, so I feel like I have to mention it. So I'm turning 50 years old today, imagine that. And yeah, so I kind of splurged a little on dinner. I had like a nice dal and some pop, and went to a little bit of a more fancy restaurant, and with a view over the river Ganges. And after lunch, I would say it's more like a dinner for me. There was a visit to a Hindu temple that was really old. It's called 2 seconds. Veerbhadra Temple, I think it's called. I think it's called it's like 1,300 years old or something. I can't quite remember. I have a plan of hopefully writing a proper blog post at some point on my blog. There's a link to my blog in the description below, but I'll hopefully be able to do a proper blog post about my trip to India. With more details about things that I've seen and stuff like that, rather than just pictures. But that means I need time and the energy to do that, and I don't like doing that from my phone, so I'm not going to. But what came up today was that my guide very kindly gave me some birthday gifts, treats. So she gave me these jelly cubes. They are totally vegan. But the thing is, I'm not really a jelly candy person. I don't really eat that much candy, to be honest with you. But that's okay, because there's another person where I live in my house that really likes jelly candy. So I'm going to give them to my partner. And I also got a little gift with purple paper, and this just comes to show the attention to detail my guide has, because she's like, one of the first days she said, I think I know what your favorite color is. It's purple. And she's right. Purple is my favorite color. And now I'm going to open the gift. And we'll see what that is. Hopefully something I can bring back in my carry-on luggage, because I'm traveling carry-on only. Oh, what is this? Ooh, that's a box. The sign number. Oh, this is nice. Look at that. It's a little statue of Ganesh. I'll need to do a proper video of Ganesh. Oh, I am so happy. That was so kind. I love that. So this, my friends, is Ganesh. He is a really nice god in the in Hinduism. I can't speak today, as per usual. And it's for prosperity, among other things. I also have a little pouch with Ganesh symbol on it, little pattern. That's very nice. I just love this little figure. Oh, so grateful. I have zero more plans for today, since I had such a big lunch and it was fairly late as well. It was more like a dinner for me, to be honest with you. I'm not going to have any dinner today, and probably not eat anything else either. So I'm going to end this video here. And tomorrow I get up early again, and we'll head for Delhi again. And that will actually be my last full day here in India, which is kind of, to be honest with you, I can't believe how quickly this week has gone by. It feels like 1,000 years and just like a second at the same time, if that makes any sense to you. I don't know. Anyway, I'm going to end this video here, and I will see you again tomorrow for a new video from India. Okay, have a good one. Bye. I also wanted to mention that when I got back from the temple, I actually went for a walk along the river just by myself, and it was actually really nice. There were lots of ashrams and stuff along the river, and I actually hope to stay at an ashram one day, but probably not in India, because it's a long way away. So I have this idea that I want to maybe stay at an ashram in Europe if I can find one, and maybe go to a yoga retreat there. It's kind of a little bit of a dream of mine, but we'll see. Time will show. It's not happening tomorrow, that's for sure. Speaking of tomorrow, I am getting up early tomorrow because I have a train to catch, and that will take me back to New Delhi, and that will be my last full day here in India. It's kind of mind-blowing how fast this week has gone by. Anyway, I am going to end this video here, and I'll have a new video coming up tomorrow, I guess, since it's my last full day in India. And until tomorrow, have a wonderful day or night wherever you are, and I will see you then. Bye!